Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, and unfortunately we do not have any kind of timer like icon here in this panel, so we have to enter the settings. They are in the left upper corner. Let's tap on it. As you can see here, we've got the timer, so let's tap. And in the timer we've got 4 different options, so the off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. After tapping on it, it will be immediately applied and notified here, so we can go back. And unfortunately, after getting back, we do not have any kind of information that we've got the timer set, but that's okay. Let's simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on, your device will count down from 10, 3 or 5, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time, it will simply take a photo. Alright, we've got the photo, and of course we can turn off the timer whenever you want to. Just enter the settings again, tap on the timer, and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.